Mary Kaye is a family lawyer. I'm a partner at SJH Martineau in Birmingham. I've worked in the family law arena now for, I think, nearly 25 years. I'm married, managed to find time to have 6 children, 4 boys and 2 girls. I've got 2 granddaughters and a grandson on the way. All of that doesn't leave a lot of time for hobbies, but I love swimming. My husband and I like to go sea swimming. And unusually, and I'm sure many women and men would be surprised, I love cleaning. I find it extremely relaxing on a Saturday, and I also love flower arranging. And if I had an alternative career, sometimes people ask you that, I think I'd like to be a florist. Birmingham Law Society is one of the largest societies in the country. It is a collection of legal professionals from all backgrounds. We try to represent our profession both on the national and international stage. We try to provide a learning and development to our members. We are also extremely interested in bringing on the student members from the universities, trainees. We are there to promote the legal profession to the public, which we feel is extraordinarily important. We also work for charities. The President has a named charity every year. Mine is Birmingham Law Centre and Seaford Fireside. So we therefore, we hope, contribute hugely to not just the legal community, the business community, but the people in Birmingham where we live and work. I am not the sort of person who can stand on the outside and moan and groan. If change is to be effected, I believe the way to do it is to be inside, within the society. It was a great honour for me to be asked to be President of Birmingham Law Society. It has given me an enormous opportunity to fulfil my own dreams and visions for the society and for the legal profession. I was involved as chairman of the Family Law Committee. I have been involved in the Court Users Committee, and this for me was in many ways a privilege but a natural step. Birmingham Law Society is the largest regional law society. I would like to see it running on a more business footing, and by that I mean I would like to see a 3-year business plan that would incorporate dealing with the property at Temple Street, dealing with our marketing strategy, our sponsorship, and that I believe should be in place for a couple of years so that we can build and we can put the vision we have for the society into a plan. I would like to see that started. I think I'll see it finished this year, but I would love to be able to look back and see it growing and knowing that I had been part of starting that plan for our society. My vision for the society is for it to grow stronger, larger, to have more of a national impact, to have an impact on legislation, on government, to play a bigger part in the international stage. We have an extraordinary breadth of knowledge and commitment in our society, which maybe we take a little bit for granted, because we in Birmingham take, I think, a lot for granted. I do not believe we are the second city we are the premier city with a premier society, and I just want to see that growing, but not just in numbers, but in influence. There are many issues, unfortunately, affecting us at the moment. We appear to be, or we are perceived to be, under threat because the regulations have changed. We can now join with financial advisors or estate agents, and there is a worry that large organisations like the Co-op, for example, are moving into legal services. I absolutely believe, however, our biggest problem is the perception the public have of us. Are we still the trusted advisor? If we are, I believe that we can deal with the threats that are there. As a profession, we have always had threats. All other professions are going through a difficult time. The biggest threat is perhaps the threat that comes from ourselves in not working and standing together. The best message I feel I could give to the members is to stand up, be counted, stand together and be proud of what you are and who you are, and that you are in Birmingham.
Who is Mary Kaye?
I'm a family lawyer. I work at SGH.
Who or what is Birmingham Law Society? Right, stop the gig society.
Birmingham Law Society. Should I just get up and walk around and come back?
Looks natural. Okay. Who is Mary Kaye? Should we go on to the next question and come back to it?
Sorry.
We'll go on to the next one.